$272,000 in just the last 30 days selling a webcam on TikTok Shop.
Let's go. I'm sorry, bro. This is my old one. There we go.
You're here to steal what they're doing, apply it in your own strategy, and I've got the exact tool that I'm going to show you, which makes that super easy and currently completely free. Tools I'm going to be using will be linked in the description, as well as a free document that you can download. I'm going to play the video ad from beginning to end and analyze each section.
I just got a new webcam. I think I can finally compete with yours now.
Dude, I don't know anybody competing with my webcam, but let me see yours.
You ready, bro? Let's go. Come on, I'm hyped, bro. Let's go. Oh, no. I'm sorry, bro. No. This is my old one. There we go. Oh, no. I'm sorry, bro. No. This is my old one. I know, bro. I found this scrolling through my For You page with less than $40, and it was on TikTok.
It's a skit format, but more of that later on.
$40, yeah, bro. Right now, there are people who just want to upgrade their setup. There's like 2 or 3 days left. Do you want to get it? Make sure you press that orange card to vote.
Awesome. So that's our video ad. But the problem is, this is data. It doesn't necessarily go as far as informing your strategy, which is why I'll copy the link. I've already pasted it here on shopcreatorspy.com, which is linked in the description if you'd like to follow along. And what this tool has done is it's broken the video down into some crazy detail, because what you learn from this one video ad and stuff that you potentially take away and use, right? So we're going to go through this, see what we can pick up, and basically give you a strategy that you can steal and use within your own TikTok Shop brand. Starting here at the top, so the link is there that I've pasted. I could have included the video as well and uploaded here, but that achieves pretty much the same thing. So I am going to scroll a little bit further down here. We can see some basic information about the video here, video performance context. We've got this card that we can collapse or we can expand. It's already expanded here. Posted 28 days ago, 2.6 million views, 93k views a day. Below that, we've got creator overview. If you want to try this, the first 10 creators that sign up get trial this tool out completely free. The link is in the description. Creator overview section here, we can see the name of the content creator, deals of tomorrow, book score for this video, followers, average views. Not going to dwell too much on that. This is TikTok Shop, so engagement is not a huge deal. All TikTok Shop cares about is whether people are buying from your videos. That's kind of the main indicator. What I like about this tool is this video structure section. It breaks it down into your hook, your demo, your features, social proof, and CTA. So they started with the hook right here, and then they went into the product intro, feature highlights, social proof tease, and passive call to action. Now, this is absolutely powerful because this tells you how to potentially structure your own video. Next section, why this video blew up. People kept watching the hook because it inspires some curiosity. We've got disbelief, reaction, related hook there. Are we serious right now? You saw me watching the video and getting a little bit invested, smiling as well as a researcher, content creator, former project manager. I've obviously got a different eye. I can see where all of this is going.
Dude, I just got a new webcam.
But for anyone else that's watching this video, it's entertaining. It's not just going straight into trying to get you to grab a deal or all the tricks that other content creators are using. This is the visual hook as well. We're mentioning they've got obviously their verbal hook that they use, so something that you can pick up. We've got the disbelief reaction hook that they use. We've got the text overlay product demo with casual handheld feel from the analysis. Breaking the hook down, the hook uses a casual relatable disbelief phrase that creates curiosity but lacks a specific value proposition or price shock. Now, this is an AI tool and will pick up on improvement areas. However, the video doesn't hit all those areas. It doesn't necessarily mean that it's a failed video because we're humans, right? And sometimes what we want is something that's not as polished. Front loading the product benefit or price hook. So if you were creating this video, if you were taking this strategy and applying it in your own TikTok Shop ads or dropshipping ads on Shopify, Facebook ads, wherever it is, what you could do is front load the product benefit or price shock instead of vague disbelief. You could try 4K webcam under $50. With this being an AI tool, think about how they've done it in this video and how you can replicate that. This is just an option. My Zoom calls went from potato to pro, another hook that you potentially use there, basically giving the viewer a reason to care in the first 2 seconds. The next section, what types of videos they post. First demo, minimal storytelling, reliance on visual quality, and shop tag. There is a storytelling element, but it's very minimal. It's mainly just them demonstrating the product in an entertaining way, in a skit format. Various different ways that you can demonstrate products. You can demonstrate products using skit formats like this. You can demonstrate products, not even talking in the video. You could be reacting to other videos, but you can see other people that are recreating this format that this content creator has made here. Like this video right here, they recreated it and they generated 148,000 in revenue in the last 30 days. We've got this other video and they recreated that same strategy and they generated 1 million in views, $100,000, 930 in revenue, $75,000 and 790, 3.4 million views just from recreating what's already working. Some of them might be from the same creator, but a lot of them are from different people. Different TikTok username there, different TikTok username there. They did the same thing. $41,000, $35,000, $22,000 for this one, and $14,000 for this one. You've got tools like this that are going to give you those additional ideas and give you that extra helping hand to make it that much easier for you to take that next next step. Okay, so we've got here cell video ratio. Again, casual UGC style presentation. Straight away, we can see that that is the kind of presentation that they are using here. Product demonstration. Of course, they're going to have a product demo because it is a TikTok shop product demo. How often this creator post videos trying to sell something. So yeah, this is a breakdown, as you can see, of the types of videos that they create and the percentage of each video type, TikTok shop video type that they create, or format rather that they create. That's broken down here. Again, if you are thinking and wondering what kind of video mix, what kind of verticals should you test on your new TikTok shop affiliate or TikTok shop seller account, data like this might help you get there as well without having to go back here and click on these videos one by one, or go onto their profile and scroll down, click on each one by one and determine what it is they're doing. All of that is created here for you. How they ask people to buy. They've got TikTok shop. There's no aggressive verbal CTA. Basically, they do mention at the end of the video that it's available. In fact, let me go back and replay that.
Dude, I just got a new webcam. I think I can finally compete with yours now.
Dude, I don't know anybody competing with my budget people who just want to upgrade their setup. There's like 2 or 3 days left in the hill. You want to get it? You press that orange topic card above my.
He says it once. There is some urgency in there. There's a humor element to this as well, which is huge and makes it relatable to people that are watching. The guy at the bottom says he can compete with this guy's webcam. He's confident. He says, yes, you know, I'm tired of getting trashed by you and your webcam. I'm ready. Let's go. Take a look at my new webcam, and it's absolutely rubbish. It just softens you up a little bit, doesn't it? And it's very easy to relate to them and find yourself watching beyond that first 3 seconds, which is what the TikTok algorithm wants to see in order to push the video further. So how they ask people to buy: short hook, caption style, short casual caption with heavy hashtag stack, text overlay, product demo with casual handheld feel, and the type of product is here. So this is how the call to action that they used. Hashtags are not that big of a deal on TikTok. Yes, they do help, but a bigger percentage of that determination by the TikTok shop algorithm is on the video itself. What you say in the video, the story format of the video, and that's what the algorithm focuses on. Angle, curiosity, and convenience. Stopper, converter, scroll stopping product with visual appeal, but we converter due to lack of trust building or objection handling. Some of this, you may look at it and think it doesn't really resonate with what's happening in the video. Remember, it is AI, and AI is kind of looking at this from a traditional perspective. Some of this stuff you might not need to follow along, but a lot of it does help you save time and get you there quicker when it comes to doing your research. What's working for this creator? So here's the strategy breakdown. We've got the most replicable thing: use a short conversational text overlay hook that creates a wait what moment while the product visually does the talking within the first 3 seconds. They didn't get straight into the product while you're testing it and trying to replicate the result. You want to get to that as quickly as possible. If you recreated it, you're going to want to change the hook and try something different, or try a similar hook and see where that goes. There's your positioning angle and some more information that you can explore. 52-second runtime is being acknowledged here as well, so you might want to stick around there when it comes to your ads for the same product or another similar product. And here's what to avoid: don't skip verbal or caption based call to action. And if you're just starting out, if you've never made a TikTok shop video, an idea of what you can copy to start off in terms of strategy here. Not going to read all of that, but it walks you through what you could do. Video ideas you can copy, again, all extracted just from that information that we have captured from that video link. A lot of stuff you can use here: tailored data, insights, validation, proof that the product has a market and people are buying that product. But if you want to take it a step further and extract a strategy that will work for you to help you get started quicker, you've got an action plan here that you can take advantage of as well. Looking at your format to replicate: 52-second handheld product demo with one bold text overlay in the first 3 seconds, minimal voiceover, and a TikTok shop tag at the end. Conversational disbelief hook with price or quality anchor baked in. The conversational disbelief is what's really working and what's powerful here, and what all these other people have replicated in order to get a piece of that bag as well. All of that information from the video, downloading the video and uploading it onto Shop Creator Spy here. I've managed to achieve with a free version of Kalo data. Nothing is ever guaranteed because that depends on you, but we've got a starting point we can work from, learn from. You've got shopcreatorspy.com, which is linked in the description if you want to trial it completely free of charge. The first 10 people get tested completely free. Link is in the pinned comment as well.